Good morning to all of you. Today we will solve exercise 3.3 question from question number 15 to question number 25. In previous lecture we had already done from question number 6 to question number 14. This is the 10th part of this chapter, third trigonometric function. So now start question number 15. Question number 15. This is exercise 3.3. Question is cot 4x. Cot 4x into sin 5x. Sin 5x plus sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to cot x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 5x minus sin 3x. This is the 15th question. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we need to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first of all we solve left hand side and then we get the value, and further we solve right hand side and we get another value. So the value of left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side is equal to each other. So we solve left hand side. Question given cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. This is sin c plus sin d, yeah, sin x plus sin y. What is the value of sin x plus sin y? Is equal to 2 sin x plus y into 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So we can write in another form cot 4x. It can be written in form cos 4x upon sin 4x, because cot x is equal to cos upon sin. Now we use trigonometric identity sin x plus sin y. We get 2 into sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. We use formula sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Now cos 4x upon sin 4x, and this 2 into sin 5x plus 3x, that is 8x by 2 is equal to 4x. This means this is sin 4x into cos 5x minus 3x. This is 2x and 2x by 2, that is x. It means cos x. Now this sin 4x and this sin 4x is cancelled out. What we get? We get 2 cos x into cos 4x. So we get the value of left hand side is equal to 2 cos x into cos 4x. Similarly, we solve this right hand side, and if we get this value, then we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we solve this part. Cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x, and in this figure sin c minus d. This is sin c minus sin d, or sin x minus sin y. The value of sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. It means it can be written as 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin 5x minus 3x by 2. Now cos x upon sin x, and it can be written as 2 cos 5x plus 3x 8x by 2. It means cos 4x into sin 5x minus 3x, that is sin 2x, and 2x by 2, that is x. So we can write sin x. Now this sin x and this sin x cancel out. So what we get? We get 2 cos x into cos 4x. So we can see 2 cos x into cos 4x and here 2 cos x into cos 4x. So this left hand side is equal to right hand side. This left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the complete solution of question number 50 of exercise 3.3. Further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we proceed question number 16, 17, 18 and 19. You can use only formula sin C plus sin D and sin C minus sin D and another cos C minus cos D and cos C plus cos D. So we move on question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 16, 17, 18 and 19. Do yourself using the trigonometric identity. Now we move on to question number 20. Question number 20 is sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x Here we solve left hand side and we get the value of right hand side. So here this is sin C minus sin D. Again sin C minus sin D. This is the value of C and this is the value of D. And in denominator part sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x. So first of all we solve numerator part 2 into sin C minus D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. It means x plus 3x by 2 into sin x minus 3x by 2 divided by in left hand side we need only sin x part. Here is not cos x. So we remove cos x part. So 2 into sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x and minus cos square x. We know sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So we place the value of sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Now 2 into cos x plus 3x by 2. It means 4x by 2. It means cos 2x into sin x minus 3x. It means minus 2x upon 2. It means sin minus x. And this is 1 minus cos square x minus cos square x. Here you know sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. This is trigonometric identity. This is also a trigonometric identity. This and this is also a trigonometric identity. Now, and you know 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. So we use this trigonometric identity into denominator part. Now this is minus 2 cos 2x into sin x minus cos here upon 1 minus 2 cos square x. 1 minus 2 cos square. Here 2 cos square x minus 1 and here 1 minus 2 cos square x. It means we take minus as a common. So we write it from minus 2 cos 2x into sin x upon minus 2 cos square x minus cos. Here minus cancel out. We write 2 cos 2x into sin x upon 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. So 2x and 2x is cancelled out. So we find 2 sin x. This is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, so this is the complete explanation of question number 20 of exercise 3.3. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we move on question number 22. 21 in question number 21 you use trigonometric identity. In denominator part is cos c plus cos d and in numerator part cos sin c plus sin d. So we move on question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22 is given cot x into cos 2x. Cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. It means we find the value of left hand side is equal to 1. Question given cot x into cos 2x minus cos 2x into cos 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. So first of all we take left hand side. Here you can see this cot 3x and cot 3x. So we take a common as cot 3x from this part and this part. So this is cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x as common. So we get cot 2x plus cot x. And now cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x. Cot 3x can be written as cot x plus 2x. It means cot 3x can be written as 2x plus x. 2x plus x. 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Because the sum of 2x and x is equal to 3x. Into cot 2x plus cot x. Now cot x into cot 2x, and this is the trigonometric identity cos x plus y. Cos x plus y is equal to, formula is given, cot x plus y is equal to cot x into cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x or cot x plus cot y. So we use this trigonometric identity cot x plus cot y. It means cot 2x into cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x. We already know cot x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot x plus y. So we use this trigonometric identity in this form. So we can get cot 2x into cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x and into cot 2x plus cot x. So here this denominator part is cut into this numerator part. Now what we get? We get cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now we open the bracket. Cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot x, and minus into minus, that is plus, and this part is cancelled out because this is plus and this is minus. So what we get? We get only 1. So this is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the complete explanation of question number 22 of exercise 3.3. Further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we proceed on question number 23. 23. Question number 23 is related from tan 4x. Question is given tan 4x is equal to tan 4x is equal to, this is question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to, you get 4 tan x minus 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4. Here tan 2x can be written as tan 2 into 2x, tan 2 into 2x, and you know a formula tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So we use this identity in this question. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So we can write tan 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square, it means tan square 2x, tan square 2x. Now you can again use this trigonometric identity in this form, tan 2x and here tan square 2. So it can be written in form 2 into 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x to the whole square. Because this is tan square 2x is equal to tan 2x whole square. So tan 4x is equal to tan 2 into 2x, and we use trigonometric identity, tan 2 is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a, and here 2 tan 2a, it means this is a, so 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now again we use this trigonometric identity, tan 2a, it means 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a, and in denominator part 1 minus tan square 2x, it means 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x to the whole square. Now you solve this whole part and you get your answer. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. 1 step, 2 into 2, that is 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, tan square x upon this is 1 minus 4 tan square x, and in denominator part 1 minus tan square x to the whole square, tan square x to the whole square. Further 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and this take LCM, so 1 minus tan square x to the whole square upon 1 minus tan square x to the whole square minus 4 tan square x, minus 4 tan square x. What we get? We get 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x. And in denominator part 1 minus 6 tan 4. It means again we take another step, 4 this multiply with this part and this multiply with this part. Already you know A by B upon C by D. So we can write A into D and upon B into C. So we use this concept in this. So we can write 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x to the whole square upon 1 minus tan square x into this part 1 plus tan to the power 4x minus 2 tan square x and minus 4 tan square x. So what we get? We get this is 1 minus tan square x to the whole square and upon 1 minus tan square x. It means this whole part is cut is square term. So in denominator part we get 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x, and in denominator part we get 1 plus tan to the power 4x tan to the power 4x minus 6 tan square x. 6 tan square x. So this is the right hand side of this given question. This is right hand and this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So this is the complete explanation of question number 23 of exercise 3.3. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we proceed on question number 24. Question number 24 is cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 cos square x into sin square x. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we use concept left hand side. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2 into 2x, cos 2 into 2x, and cos 2x is equal to cos square 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1. So we use this concept cos 2 cos square 2x minus 1, 2 cos square, this is cos 2x. So we can write 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we use again this identity 2 into cos 2x, it means 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square minus 1. Cos square x, cos square x. Cos 4x is cos 2 into 2x, it means 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Now we use cos 2x square is equal to 1. 2 cos 2x, cos square 2x minus 1, cos 2x. So 2 into 2 cos 4 cos to the power 4 x plus 1 minus 2 cos square x, and this is minus 1. We need 1 minus cos square x into sin square x. It means we get sin x. So this cos 4x cos square x minus 2x. Here cos 2 into 2x, cos 4x is equal to cos 2 into 2x, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos 2x also equal to cos square x minus sin square x. We need sin x term, so we use this trigonometric identity in the given question. So we can write cos cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. It means this is equal to cos square 2x minus sin square 2x, because here the value of x is equal to 2x. Now again we use cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x. It means this can be written as 1 minus sin square 2x minus sin square 2x. Here this is sin square 2x and sin square 2x. It means 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. And we already know sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So we can write again 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x whole square. So we write 1 minus 2 into 4 sin square x into cos square x. So we can write 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So this is right hand side, this is left hand side, we get right hand side. So this is the complete explanation of question number 24 of exercise 3.3. Further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we move on last question, that is 24 question of this given exercise. 24 question is cos 6x is equal to 32 into cos 6x cos to the power 6 into x minus 48 cos to the power 4 into x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Now cos 6x can be written as cos 3 into 2x, and we know a trigonometric identity cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So we use this trigonometric identity in the given question. So this cos 6x is equal to cos 3x. It means 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. 3 cos 2x. Now again cos 2x is equal to, here you can see only this is cos x term, only cos x term. So we use cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus 1. So this is 4 into this is cos 2x whole cube. It means 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. Now again this is a minus b whole cube. Or a minus b is a cube. A cube means this 8 cos 6 x 8 into cos to the power 6 into x minus 1 minus 3ab. It means 6 cos square x 3ab. 3 into 2 6 and cos square x into 1, that is cos square x into a minus b. It means 2 cos square x minus aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b. And here minus 3 multiply minus 3 into 2 cos square x. This is 6 cos square x, and minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Now we multiply, we open this bracket. What we get? We get 8 cos 6x minus 1 minus 12 cos to the power 4 into x, and minus into minus, that is plus, and 6 cos square x. 6 cos square x, and this is minus 6 cos square x plus 3. 6 cos square x plus 3. This is a minus b. It means a cube minus b cube minus 3a b. It means 3 2 is 6 square into a minus 3 2 cos square x minus. It means this multiply minus 8 6 minus 6 2 is 12 cos 4x and minus into this minus, that is plus 6 cos square x. Now multiply with 4 into this part, 4 into 8, that is 32 cos x to the power 6 minus 4 minus 12 into 4, that is 48 cos 4x into cos x to the power 4 into plus 6 into this, that is 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus what we get? We get the decreasing order of cos x. So 32 cos x to the power 6 minus 48 cos x to the power 4 and here 24 cos x square minus 6 cos square x, it means plus 18 cos square x and minus 4 plus 3, it means this is minus. This is the right hand side of this given question. So this is the complete explanation of question number 25 of exercise 3.3. So today we complete this part of trigonometric function. Now the general and principal solutions of the trigonometric functions is reduced in this year. So we will not discuss about this topic. So today exercise 3.3 is complete. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Thank you.